Hi people, today we're going to have a little bit of fun and show you what it's like to put one of our BGD carburetors together. My name's Sacchette. This is a carburetor that the team and I designed and having very good success with it. And like I said, have a little fun putting it together. So let's get started. I'd like to grab the throttle shaft first, get it started with the cam and the spring. Okay, there we go. Bearings with my little special bearing tool. Spacers. Okay. Ooh, like it. Okay, let's get some stuff off the table. I'm going to throw on the exhaust valve. We like using a zero exhaust valve in here. Gives a positive squirt. And install the drain plug, 10 millimeter. It's right here. And then usually it's already shown progression port plugs and idle mixture screws, the air fuel ratio, and we use a IDF setup on there, so it's sealed, O-ringed. It's a nice setup. Really good response when you're doing your mixture screws. And then hang some butterflies. Some people call them throttle shafts, throttle plates. You know it's right when they kind of just fall right into their home. And looking good. So just like to snug them up. No Loctiting yet. I want to get it all together before we do that. And we do make our throttle plates here in-house, so we have control of the angles, how quick or soon it's going to open, how far off it's on the progression port. And yeah, looking good. So next we're going to go to chokes. Some people call them Venturis. And then our Billet auxiliary booster Venturi that we've made off of a 5.0, but obviously it's a lot bigger OD. And the cool part about these is we have a little center punch in there, so they're self-aligning. Little countersink that we put in there on the CNC. Trust me, I've been around carburetors for most of my adult life, and these are by far the best sets that I've ever came up with. And then the float, like to check these. They'll be preset from our factory. And again, every carburetor that we build, we do run on the dyno. So, hassle-free. Always want to make sure we got good travel. Let's drop in some jets. One thing I want to do before I get too far ahead of myself is I want to put this pump assembly on. It's called the roller cam spring. And like so. Get it wound around. Locked in place. Sounds like a viper snake getting ready to attack. Then you want to put your pump assembly in. Just slides right in. Okay, and then you always want to test it, make sure it's working. Full throttle. And we made these a little snug to help prevent them from leaking. A little bit of oil on them, just snug. Okay, and you can tell by our enlarged float bowl, we had gaskets made for that. 3.0 needle valve. And just make sure everything travels, nothing's binding. And then our dash 6 fuel fitting top load. Snug it right on. We got our billet jet deflector. Helps keep out debris but still breeze through the sides. And then our billet velocity stacks. You'll notice a flow bench in the back. We have done so much testing with velocity stacks on airflow, and this is by far the best ones I've ever had my hands on. And that be it. Now I like to flip them over, just check everything's functional. And now you got your butterfly set. So now what I like to do is one at a time, pull one screw out, get a little bit of I like using green Loctite. And there you go, folks. One bad Mamma Jamma. Out.